this. So if you have Jordans, you could have invested in 3 shares of Nike for what you paid for those Jordans. Did you know that? Think about it. Let's start buying things. Let's start buying companies. Because what stock is you having ownership in a company. You own a piece of that company. So instead of buying Jordans, buy Nike. Your money is going to grow in Nike. Instead of buying a PlayStation 4, buy Sony. Don't wear anything that you don't own. Okay? Don't wear anything that you don't own. So if you can purchase a fraction of that company, and you wearing that stuff, you out here wearing Louboutins, and you wearing all this expensive stuff that depreciates as soon as you take it out of the store, why not own a piece of that company? Shift the mentality. Change the game. Change your theme in 2018.
All right.